Hey guys, it's Dawn from Wasl Properties, and it is freaking Friday. I am bringing you this week's Showcase Home of the Week, the beginning of May. It is amazing. It is located at 19834 Kelsey Gap Court. It is up in the Towne Lake community in Cypress. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1/2 bath, 3,256 square feet. It was built in 2013. This home has a media room and a game room, and they're only asking $343,000. Guys, this home is amazing. This is my listing. I'm gonna have an open house here this Sunday between 1 and 4. Come check it out and let's walk this house. So this home sits on a fantastic cul-de-sac, has great landscaping. You have a front porch here, and then you walk into the home with a long hallway, and then you have the office when you first walk in with wood floors, and then you have the half bath down the hallway here. You continue on into the home. You have this formal dining room, beautiful light. You have the wood floors here as well. And then to the right is the entrance from the garage, large laundry room, little mudroom area. And then you continue into the home and you have this fantastic open concept kitchen, beautiful dark cabinets, gorgeous granite countertops, gas cooktop. The refrigerator comes with the home, large pantry, breakfast eating area, and this open concept living room. Just a gorgeous home. Fantastic work and upgrades was done in this home. You can't have a better option here in Towne Lake. So off from the kitchen and the living room area is the master bedroom. Again, light and bright. There is carpet in this room. All the paint in the home is neutral. Easy for you to update if you would like to. You have double sinks, granite undermount. You have the walk-in shower, soaker tub, and then you have a large closet here for the master bedroom. So you come up the stairs, you have the game room right here, a large game room. You have the same neutral paint throughout, light and bright. You have your first bathroom here, and then you have your first bedroom, nice sized bedroom as well. Then you come down the hallway, you have your third bedroom here, again, nice sized bedroom, and then you come down the hallway completely, and you have your final and fourth bedroom. The fourth and third bedroom are connected by a Hollywood bath, 2 sinks, and then the shower tub combo. Then at the end of the hall, you have the media room, and the media room is perfect for you to enjoy all your family movies. Hey guys, so what do you think about this home? Am I right or what? Is this home gorgeous? It is perfect for any family. Come check it out this Sunday from 1 to 4. And remember, if you're interested in this open house or any additional open house, click on the link below to look at all the open houses that are going on in the Heights area, including this home. And also, if you'd like to contact me to see any of these homes or to see or have a special showing of this home, my information is at the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.